During the White House coronavirus press meeting on April 27th, a reporter said that a majority of polls show Americans blame the CCP for the spread of the coronavirus, yet they're taking advantage of the virus to make the world more dependent on China's supply chains. The president was asked on how he plans to hold China accountable.
There are a lot of ways you can hold them accountable. We're doing very serious investigations, as you probably know, and we are not happy with China. We are not happy with that whole situation because we believe it could have been stopped at the source, it could have been stopped quickly, and it wouldn't have spread all over the world, and we think that should have happened.
Earlier this month, Bild, the largest German newspaper, had published a bill that called for the German government and the European Union to secure a compensation of 149 billion euros, the equivalent of $163 billion, from Beijing, as the cost of the virus to various sectors within the German economy. President Trump was asked during the press briefing that if his administration is planning on doing the same. President Trump expressed there are many ways on doing that.
And we're talking about a lot more money than Germany's talking about, yeah. We haven't determined the final amount yet.
Thank you, Mr. President.
It's very substantial. If you look at the world, I mean, this is worldwide damage. This is damage to the U.S., but this is damage to the world.
As the coronavirus spread makes its way to Africa, Nigeria is also taking its first shot at demanding compensation. According to a Nigerian news report from Daily Post on April 26, a group of Nigerian lawyers is preparing their suit that demands a compensation of $2,000 from the CCP over the effects of the coronavirus outbreak. The group of lawyers plans to first go to the Federal High Court of Nigeria, and second, to persuade the government of the Federal Republic of Nigeria to institute a state action against the People's Republic of China at the International Court of Justice at The Hague. The Embassy of the People's Republic of China in the Federal Republic of Nigeria will be receiving the plaint. Last week, the Australian government called for WHO to support an investigation over the origin and the spread of the CCP virus. However, the Chinese ambassador to Australia, Cheng Jing-ye, threatened that Australia's push for an independent investigation could result in Chinese consumers rejecting Australian products or even stop them from studying or traveling to Australia.
The government has made our displeasure with those remarks known. Our policy positions are clear. They're based on public health principles. The least the world can expect is a transparent inquiry into the causes of COVID-19 so that we can understand how best to prevent a repeat episode anytime in the future.
Australian Foreign Minister Marise Payne issued a statement on April 27th that the CCP should not have resorted to the means of economic coercion. The CCP's threats have also drawn backlash from the government, the people, and the academia, who have voiced their support to the Australian government over the investigation of the CCP.